Right, so we've all been told a million times, you have to sit up straight and like do this and do this and do this and do this, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, for your yoga practice, for your posture, there's like, so many things that you don't need to do because they're irrelevant. They're designed to, in a way, keep you busy and feeling kind of yucky in a way. So how about we trade this all for your awesome stance? So instead of like knitting your ribs in, tucking your tailbone, scooping this, scooping that, like moving your armpits around or whatever, find an easy, steady place here. Here's your all the time alignment. So shift a little side to side. Find your center. Notice how you feel. Notice how your shoulders, your everything just naturally came into alignment. You can bring your hands to your center to just check in. See how awesome it is to be you. This is your awesome stance. You don't have to push, force, and struggle your way into good posture or good alignment for your yoga practice, for your life, for everything, because we want it all to go together. So here's your awesome stance because you're amazing. Yes.